50MP camera, smooth performance, and a price tag that's hard to believe. Does the Xiaomi Poco C75 5G really live up to the hype? Today, we're putting its camera to the ultimate test, so you know if it's worth your money. Xiaomi claims to bring flagship-like features on a budget with the Poco C75 5G. But does its 50MP camera and overall performance actually deliver, or is it just another numbers game? Let's find out the truth. Now, let's get straight into the camera performance. The Poco C75 5G comes with a 50MP main camera and a 5MP front-facing camera. These numbers sound good on paper, but let's talk about how they perform in real life. Starting with the rear camera, the 50MP lens does a decent job in well-lit conditions. Outdoor shots are sharp, and colors are vivid without looking unnatural. When it comes to details, the Poco C75 doesn't disappoint. Close-up photos capture textures beautifully, and wide shots maintain clarity, which is impressive for a budget device. But when we move to low-light performance, this is where the results vary. The Poco C75 5G struggles a little in poorly lit environments. While the LED flash does its job well, the images can sometimes lose sharpness and have noticeable noise. However, for casual photography, the camera still holds up, especially considering the price point. Now, talking about video capabilities, the phone records up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The stabilization isn't perfect, so you'll notice a bit of shake if you're walking or moving while recording. But the colors remain natural, and the overall video quality is decent for social media or everyday use. Switching to the front-facing 5MP camera, it's clear that this one is more for casual selfies. In good lighting, the selfies look bright, but the details aren't as crisp as some competitors in this price range. Video calls are fine, but don't expect studio-level quality. Now we move on to the display. The Poco C75 features a 6.88-inch IPS LCD screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The high refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and a fluid experience, whether you're browsing social media or gaming. However, the 720p resolution could feel a bit underwhelming if you're used to full HD displays. Still, for a budget phone, the screen does its job, offering good brightness levels that make outdoor viewing comfortable. Onto the build and design. This phone has a glass front, a plastic frame, and weighs 212.4 grams. It feels solid in hand and has a modern look, available in Aqua Bliss, Enchanted Green, and Silver Stardust. The dust and splash resistance is a nice touch, especially in this price segment. Now, let's discuss performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, this phone handles multitasking and casual gaming without breaking a sweat. You can expect smooth performance for everyday apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and YouTube. For gamers, it handles titles like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty on low to medium settings quite well. Speaking of battery life, the Poco C75 5G comes with a 5160 mAh battery that supports 18W wired charging. In practical use, this means you can easily get a full day of usage with moderate to heavy use. Whether it's binge watching, gaming, or social media scrolling, the battery is one of this phone's standout features. Finally, a quick word on extras. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, dual SIM support, and even a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is increasingly rare in modern phones. You also get an FM radio and microSD card slot for expandable storage. So, is the Xiaomi Poco C75 5G the right phone for you? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid camera performance, great battery life, and decent overall functionality, this phone should be on your list. However, if you're into heavy gaming or need top-tier low-light photography, you may want to explore alternatives. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more real-world reviews. Thanks for watching.